Hi, my name is Paget and welcome to another installment of Bright Day Thoughts. Stop Bleeding Herb. Did you know that you have a stop bleeding herb right with you? If an emergency happens, like maybe you're out camping or something and you can't get to a hospital or a doctor fast enough, you have something that you can use. Hair. You have to be sure. I know, I can hear all you bald people going, I don't have any hair. But you probably are with people who do. So calm down, don't worry. It has to be hair that is not chemically treated. That means no perm and no color and whatever other chemicals are out there. I don't know. Let me show you how easy it is. Oh, but first let me tell you. A long time ago, my daughter had a finger that was just splurting blood. My father was really upset and wanted to take her to emergency. And I was like, calm down. And I just chopped off my hair, I burned it, put it on, and it stopped immediately. I even tried applying pressure to the brachial radial artery, and it didn't work. It was not successful. So my hair did stop the bleeding, and it healed without an infection. Okay, so watch. I know. Women are like, you're gonna cut your hair? Hey, you know, it'll grow, it's okay. So you take your hair and you chop it. You chop it. Then you burn it. Well, if you can get it to light. It's just in that finger. Okay, well. You need equipment that works. Okay, so that aside, I'm gonna burn this later. Come look. There's wind blowing here, and that may be what's interfering with it, but I will burn that later. But see, you take this. This is the part that's been burned. And you put it on the place that's bleeding and it stops. Chill, it's okay. It wasn't wasted. I can burn it later. All homes who have an earthquake ready kit or something like that need to have some of this in a little baggie, because you just never know if an external bleeding event is going to happen, and you can just apply it and it does work. Remember, it can't be chemically treated hair, okay? And put some matches in your box because, you know, equipment maybe won't work, but the hair will. It will stop bleeding. So anyway, thank you for joining me for another Bright Day Thoughts. Now go, anchor the light. Hua.
Now it'll work.